Alright, let me show you how to make ringtones for free on iTunes. Um, it's going to be in iTunes, obviously, and it's going to be using your own music. I'll show you the process. So first, choose a song you want as a ringtone. Say it's this. And first, actually, make sure up here in Edit, Preferences, in here where it says when you enter ACD, where it has import settings, click on that and make sure this import using is switched to AAC encoder, and then click OK. Okay, mine's already done so I don't have to. Then you want to right click this and create an AAC version, which will take slightly long since it's a full song. It's making a copy of it so that you could mess with that one, by the way. Okay, that means it's done. So this bottom one under the blue one is the copy. So what you want to do with the copy is right click it and click Get Info and go to Options up here. And right here in Start Time and Stop Time, that's where you're going to choose where your ringtone starts and where your ringtone stops. So you might want to listen to the song while you do this and look up here for whatever the times is you want to start it. And say I want to start it at 1 second, I would change it to 1. And let's say I want to change it to start at 1 second and end at 25 seconds. I would click in 25 and then I press OK. And so when you play it, it starts at 1 and it'll only go so far as to 25, as you can see. So what you want to do with that copy is create another AC version of the copy, and that one's only going to be 23 seconds long, or 24, see? And then that copy, like the bottom one in that list, right click it, go to Show in Windows Explorer, and it's going to be the highlighted one. Take that one and click on it, and it should say whatever the song name is, and you should have a 2 at the end, .m4a. You want to change M4A to M4R, and just click outside anywhere. It'll say if you want to change a file name extension, the file might become unusable, or if you want to change it, just click yes. And then when you double click on it to play it, it's not going to be there, it's going to be in tones, and it's right here. Sorry, I couldn't find it. As you can see, it's right there in your ringtones. Stop. Okay, so that's how you make your own ringtones in iTunes. Thanks for watching.